Hey family. This is going to be an awkward video. I'm just cautioning you guys now, if you are not in the mood for negativity, then this is not the video you want to watch. But if you are in the mood for a very honest review, then stick around because we're going to get into it. This is what I posted on Instagram. If you saw my Instagram about a horrible experience, this is what it was. And I appreciate you guys for your input, and I decided that I did want to upload it. I did want to give it a day or two just to let myself kind of regather my thoughts and do a little extra digging and research before I formulated my final opinion. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about my experience. So this is the product that I picked up on Amazon. My motive for this review was to find a dip kit on Amazon that was low rated and try to debunk some of the negative reviews, because I know that most people pick these things up on Amazon. I'm going to pause what I'm saying and let you look at this. This is how the base bottle arrived. Problem number one, it looks like there's a jellyfish swimming around in this bottle of base, and this base was completely unusable, and you're going to find out why. Open it up, get the thing unstuck, and I find out that the brush has melted away completely from the stem of this applicator. So we're off to a rockin' start. Anyway, like I was saying, I know that a lot of people pick up these dip kits on Amazon, especially now because salons are all closed, everyone has to do their own nails, and I know that if you're an inexperienced dipper, you may not know how to use a product correctly, and that could result in a negative outcome and a negative review. So I really wanted to see if these poorly reviewed products were actually bad products, or if it was like a user error type situation. I did another dip kit, which you will see coming up in a week or so, that had the same rating, like a 3.4 star rating. And it was actually really, really good. So stay tuned for that. If you're looking for a good dip kit, it's coming. I promise you it's coming very soon. This one, however, I wouldn't have been so upset if it had just been poor product. That's one thing. You know, if your products are, crummy, I'm not going to be mad at you. But here's my bigger issue. So this is the product as shown on Amazon. As you can see, it's got a 3.4 star rating. It shows everything that comes in the kit, and it's fine. I felt like the products weren't exactly as shown, like in the photo. As you saw, the little jars of powder are very clearly labeled, and as you can see from Exhibit A, my jars were not labeled. They had a little sticker on the bottom with a number, but it didn't say anything. And at first glance, the powders didn't look bad. They felt thin when I gave them a zhuzh just there. But, I gotta get them on my nails, and then I can make a final determination of quality of product. Mind you, I'm not a nail tech. I'm not a nail professional. I'm a DIYer, but I have been doing this for a little bit. So I have used a lot of different dip products, and I can pretty accurately gauge crap versus something that's decent quality and something that's high quality. Again, this might be personal preference, but that's just where we're starting off here. Now here's my biggest issue. I'm going to put in here a screenshot of my original receipt. I ordered this on March 29th, and I paid $30 for it. $30. Not abnormally expensive for an Amazon dip kit. I purchased another kit, the one I just told you about that isn't uploaded yet. Same exact price, $30. And for what you're getting, it seems like a reasonable price. You get all the liquids and the powders. However, 3 weeks later, when I did this voiceover and you saw my Instagram post, this is the price of it now. $43.99, which is almost a 50% price increase in just 3 weeks. And my only thought is, they're taking advantage of this quarantine and hiking up their prices. And I mean, I couldn't even understand a company doing this if they had a quality product. But for a company with a, in my opinion, junky product, a cheap product, a product that didn't even work completely because the base liquid was completely unusable, I cannot rationalize increasing your prices like that. I just can't. And for me, you guys are like my family, and I get very protective. I go into like mama bear mode when I feel like my people are being scammed or taken advantage of. And that's what really made me so emotional and angry, to think that there are ladies out there, and there probably are people, women, who are so desperate for product because they need that in their lives. For a lot of us, for me personally, my nails, doing my nails is therapeutic. You know, it's cathartic. It's my self-care. And I know that's that way for a lot of you guys too. So when I see a company taking advantage of these women who want nothing more than to just do something nice for themselves, it breaks my heart. And I felt like I needed to bring light to the situation and tell you guys that there are companies that do this. And as you can see, if you've been watching this at all, I've had to use twice the amount of product I normally use and get this kind of a result. Granted, they didn't look terrible in the end, and I'm going to show you the whole thing start to finish because that's what I do on this channel. I am going to show you everything. I'm not going to hide anything from you. If this was a great product, I would tell you it's a great product, even though the company seems shady to me because they're hiking up prices during a pandemic. But I can't even say that, and you can see it for yourself. So that is my extremely disheartening and poor nail company experience. And if you want my honest review of this product, I would tell you it's crap and please don't buy it. And I personally would never support this company ever. And I've had a lot of people tell me, why don't you just return it, send it back, get your money back. And to that I say, this video is going to be the last anything that I give this company. I wouldn't even waste the gas money or or the time to put it in a box. I wouldn't waste another minute on this company. And honestly, I wouldn't waste the tax write-off. I'm gonna, I did get rid of everything. I needed to cleanse it all from my system. You wouldn't believe how fast I popped these nails off. And I should tell you that when I did this mani with these products, I didn't know about the price stuff on Amazon. I didn't know until after I was done and went to do the voiceover for the video and did my final bit of research where I go back on Amazon and just get all the info and stuff for you guys. And then I found out. And as I was sitting here looking at Amazon and seeing everything that they were doing with this product, I was popping my nails off. I felt so icky and gross, and I just couldn't get my nails off quick enough. And literally, I did this voiceover. This is my 9th time doing this voiceover because I don't have negative reviews on this channel because I very much believe in focusing on the positive. So if there's a product that I am not featuring on my channel, it's for one of two reasons. I don't know who they are, I don't like their products, and I won't put them on my channel. So it's not that I don't believe in negative reviews, I 100% do, but I like to try and keep things very positive. So this is the first negative review I'm having to really do, and I don't like it. I don't like the way it makes me feel. I don't like this vibe on my channel, so I'm going to try not to do this again. And I don't know if some of you have reached out to me, you know who you are if you have, but if you've reached out to me and asked me about a particular product that you haven't seen on my channel, I will be honest with you in private. In private DM, I will tell you I've had a bad experience, or I don't like the company, or whatever. But I'm not trying to throw shade or badmouth a company on my public social media platforms. That's just not who I'm about. But I think in this situation, I needed to. And thank you guys so much for your input and your push to get me to do that, because this is not easy for me. I don't like it. I don't like negativity. It just makes me feel gross. But I appreciate you guys, and I hope this was helpful. I hope it saves some of you from heartache. And I hope you'll come back for my next vid. Love you, bye.